Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix Remitly money transfer problem. Now, if you have faced some sort of error while transferring money on Remitly, then you could follow these steps. First of all, you want to make sure to open up Remitly. So I'm using a browser version. You could use an app as well. So type in remitly.com if you are using a browser version, and next thing you want to do is log in to your account. So first of all, you could try canceling the particular payment or particular transfer. So tap on the menu bar from the top right hand side corner and go to transaction history or transfer, and right on this page you'll need to go ahead and select the particular transaction that has been error. So you want to long press onto it and click on the cancel button, and this should be able to cancel it. So after you've canceled the transaction, and if you are able to cancel, then that's well and good and you've successfully solved your problem. However, for some reason, if you're not able to cancel the transaction or if the error persists on, you want to directly contact the support team as they'll be able to guide you. So for that, tap on the menu bar once again and click on help. When you go to the help section over here, you could either go ahead and tap on problem or Remitly money transfer problem, and you could find a list of article or steps regarding it. Or else, if you want to contact the help center directly, you have these options like chat and phone. So you could go ahead and click on the phone number, and it's going to direct you to this page. Click on call and let them know about it, and they will be able to help you out. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.